in this class we will discuss more about functions, how to display functions in the file of HTML. Okay, or suppose I have defined a function of a square right here, and I also declare a function as well. So I want to get result in here. So how to call this function in my HTML index file? So simply the best, we use a script element, right? And I close the script. Here I just call document dot write, alright, and add a. I simply the best call variable and want to display its result. And here is the definition of all function, and I also initialize and declared in JavaScript file. Okay, now I call it into the document.write. I'm coming here and let's see what is the result. Here you can see the result is display right here in a paragraph. Okay, now I want to display the result of 5 on new line. So what I need to do, here I'm coming and I create, copy it, new paragraph. Okay, where I say addition value 2 and 3 is equal. Okay, here I just call B. It display the result of the sum of 2 and 3 function. Okay, as you can see it displayed the 5 value of second function. Alright, now use of comments. Let's see the use of comments, but we will discuss in next class. You have easily understand that how to call function into the HTML file. Right, have a good luck. Bye.